Hey everybody, welcome into Rock Painting 101. Today's tutorial is just a quick speed style filling in letters, just a little bit of inspiration for you today. If you missed doing the block letters themselves to this tutorial, I will link it in the description below, so you can click that to watch that first if you need to. But this is just going to be a little bit of an inspirational video, fun ways to fill in your lettering on the rocks that you're hiding around town. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel and don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. And yes, I hope you like just this quick little inspiration style video today. Okay, so if you're watching this video right now, I had completed this joy showing like the simple 3D letter style, but I wanted to continue and decorate this one now a little bit more. So I thought this would be a good secondary video. So if you missed how to do the lettering, I'll put a card up here. Boop, boop. You can go watch that and then come back to this one, or you can watch this one first. I'm just gonna show how to kind of fill these letters with some fun doodling. So for the most part, I'm just going to play music. If there's anything where I feel like it needs explanation, I'll let you know. But for now, I am just going to have some fun. Well, that's that. If that doesn't spark joy for somebody, I don't know what will. So I hope you enjoyed this quick inspiration style tutorial. We'll be back with something new real soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.